Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you LED party light. Oh yeah, for disco. It is a disco ball light with 16 lightning shapes. It is an LED party gimmick by MEKUULA. It's a DJ light, adjustable brightness level, and rotation speed is adjustable too. For Halloween, for children's birthday party, for bars, clubs, karaoke parties, etc. I will use this for Christmas decoration. I like Christmas so much. The disco lamp has 16 colors, which are changing the modes, and 8 brightness level you can choose. You can use for this a remote control to adjust the color mode and the brightness level, and of course a rotation speed, which is according to the theme of both parties. Adjustable is everything here: brightness, sound, speech, everything. And if you are going into the mode, in the party mode, the light will change with the rhythm of your voice or your music. This I like very much. You can control everything: the brightness, the rotation speed, the lights, the color, all you can control. The lamp and the resonator of that LED projector are independent, or is an independent system. You can turn the lantern off and use it as a speaker or simply as a light. You can choose by your own. The lamp head is made of special materials and is not easy to break. The base of the stage light is equipped with a humanized hook for hanging or carrying around. The disco ball has 80 lenses, creating a romantic and passionate atmosphere for you and your friends. Perfect party accessory for all kinds of Halloween, Christmas, birthday, Independence Day, everything. Or you're going to have a party at home, then you can use this, because you can dock it by Bluetooth with some of your smartphones, and then you're able to get a nice party light with sound support, because there is a built-in speaker, and the speaker is good. It's a good speaker. Simply charge it with the included USB cable on a laptop or on your AC adapter of your smartphone, etc. And then it's ready. It is for mobile use because it has a built-in battery. You can take it anywhere to create a dynamic and vibrant atmosphere for everyone around you. One lithium-ion battery is required for the remote, of course, but it's a cell coin battery. And you have Bluetooth, you have USB. USB you have to use to reload the battery, the built-in battery. The energy sources are USB 5 volt 1.5 ampere, and the battery is built in. You have voice control, self-control, remote control, and Bluetooth. 8 level of brightness and speed can be adjusted. 16 types of light modes can be switched as desired. The distance you should place this projector or disco ball is 5 up to 10 meters. It is portable, and the Bluetooth distance is up to 10 meters. The product power inside is 12 watt. That means it is okay. 12 watt is not so much. The product materials are AC and ABS waterproofing materials. You have ATB angles and 120 degrees of light. This is awesome. You will get a disco ball, the remote control, a user manual, a USB cable, and the remote has a coin cell built in. It is really easy, as you can see, to use this device, and what is coming out? A wonderful party light. I like it really much. This will be my next season decoration for Christmas. It's my choice. You can choose this for parties, etc., birthday, Halloween, what you like. I find this really nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.